All stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
Alrighty. Well, I picked up the video a couple hours later. It was so hot, I didn't even have like the energy to really do what I wanted to do. But now that we're back, where's we at? Where are we going? Where are we going? Gotta go this way. Alright, yeah, now that we're back, I can get to do what I want to do now. I was just gonna come to this the Backroads and just, you know, take some pictures and film some reels and stuff while I washed my car yesterday. So yeah, we're just driving, chilling out, listening to some music right now, but then give a little drive, and then after I'm gonna pull up to this little lake area, and then we can take some videos, some reels and stuff, because I gotta get some short form content in. I haven't been recording much short form. It's been a while actually, but I gotta get off. I went the wrong way. I took the wrong exit right now, or the wrong entry, because I usually don't get off right here or right there, but now that I did, you know, I went the wrong way, so I have to go all the way back. But it's better anyway, so I can take the back road instead of the freeway. Look at these two lights right here, that's crazy. Yeah. Let's just get it, bro, honestly. I'm gonna try to get this all in one shot, because cutting it just feels like so unauthentic, you know what I mean? This man's taking forever, bruh. I gotta get my directions so I know where I'm going. Hold on, I'm gonna cut the camera off. Alright, I got my directions going now. I'm gonna keep the window rolled down. I don't wanna yell. I'm gonna keep the window rolled down just so I can see how good the mic mod from my GoPro does against the wind. See if you can hear me, see if you can hear the exhaust still while the wind's blowing like 30 miles an hour, so we'll see. I'll go this way though. I did not see that sheriff right there. I think we're good though. This sheriff scared the shit out of me. I haven't been here in a long ass time, so I kind of forget where they park, but I should have known they park right there. Fuck. Damn. You notice the silence after you go past the sheriff like that. Like, just hope he doesn't pull out, bro. I hope he don't. That scared the shit out of me.
Gotta forget about it, man. I cannot remember shit. That's all I told the cop. Niggas homebodies. I'm running through home, robbing and He's a store runner. Yeah, he's a nobody. 10 forms on his lockers. Nobody. Holla at me when you niggas want to pop.
I'm not talking at all. I'm just trying to concentrate. So. Look at this view though, I can't lie, this view's nice. Damn. I'm gonna pick it up when I get to like a secluded spot just to chill. I'm done with this driving for now. Too much. You only need to go like a little bit, bro. Oh, if you overdo it, it's too much, man. Alright, I'll pick it up after this. I wanna make sure my tires are warm before I go any further. I don't want my tires up. I just want to make sure they're warm. Even though I'm not gonna go crazy on this trail, because I don't know the turns or whatever. So I'm just gonna keep it chill, just glide through. I'm not gonna really go quick down them because I don't know where I'm going. But maybe when I learn it, I'll figure it out. But I'm not gonna go crazy because I don't even know where I'm going. Dude, that freaking backfire is crazy. Let me roll the window up. Alright, I'm gonna pick it up when I get back, you know, to where I need to take the pictures and shit. Alright, so I'm gonna pick it back up when I'm done and I found my spot where I need to park and stuff, so. Alright, I made it. Here we are. The best part. Jeez. I really wanted to come out here like really bad. Like really bad. Just haven't been out here in a minute. She looks good. She looks really good. New tires on. It's really good, man. Damn. Looks really good. I'm gonna take some flicks. Get some flicks and everything.